Hi, I'm Sisi. Welcome to our first guided meditation. Sit comfortably with a straight back and with your feet flat on the ground. Sit up straight so that your head and neck are in line with your spine. Now gently close your eyes. Allow your whole body to rest. Imagine letting go of every weight of your body towards the earth. You're free, filled with love, with peace, with harmony, and gratitude in your heart. Allow things to be just as they are. Find a sense of coming back home to your own body. A sense of everything around you being connected. Every time you exhale, allow yourself to melt a little bit further down into the earth and let go completely to the gravity. Become fully aware of the subtle waves of your breath. Let your own breath, calm and deep, follow its natural cycle. Don't try to control it. Don't try to force it. Simply sit here peacefully and quietly in calm and observe. There is nothing else to do. Just stay here with me in the present moment. You're in a safe place. See how your own breath moves freely. Observe now the natural inhalation and exhalation. Now mentally focus at your spine. Mind through its natural curves. Feel it slender and stable. Stay focused on your breath and concentrate your energy there. It's time to let go completely of any tensions left in your body. Allow yourself to trust the surface you're sitting on. You're safe. You're calm sitting here. slowly bring back your attention to your own breath. Become fully aware of the subtle waves of your chest. Gently open your eyes and come back again to the present moment. Keep up with your regular practice and remember that every little gesture of self-love counts. Thank you from all my heart and see you in the next day of meditation.